Most men think women fall in love the way they do, through looks, charm, or chemistry, but that's not how it happens. A woman's heart doesn't surrender through attraction alone. It happens slowly, quietly, through emotions she can't explain and moments she can't forget. Here's the truth. Women don't fall in love with a man because he's perfect. They fall in love because he makes them feel something rare: safety, depth, and emotional certainty. When a woman senses that being near you calms her chaos instead of adding to it, that's when her guard starts to fall. You don't need to impress her. You need to understand her. Not her words, but her silences. See, women are emotional readers. They study your tone, your timing, your consistency. When your actions match your words and your energy doesn't change every time she tests you, she starts to trust you. And trust, for a woman, is the real beginning of love. At first, she might resist it. She'll tell herself she's just enjoying your company, that she's not getting attached. But love for her is like a quiet storm. It starts as curiosity, then turns into comfort, and finally becomes connection. It's not what you say that makes her fall. It's how she feels when you're not around. If your absence feels louder than anyone else's presence, she's already halfway gone. What really triggers love in a woman isn't romance or words. It's consistency. It's your ability to remain calm when she's emotional, patient when she's distant, and present when she needs grounding. Every time you don't react with ego, every time you choose composure over control, she feels something deeper: respect. And from respect comes emotional surrender. But remember this: love doesn't grow in chaos. A woman can't fall for a man she doesn't feel safe with. You might excite her with passion, but only stability will make her stay. When she realizes you can handle her emotions without judgment, she'll start showing you her truest self, the version of her she hides from the world. And that's the moment she falls. Not for your body, not for your looks, but for your energy. Because real love for a woman is not about the chase. It's about emotional peace. That rare feeling that she doesn't need to wear a mask around you. When she feels seen, not analyzed, desired, not possessed, heard, not dismissed. That's when her heart quietly chooses you. So stop trying to impress women with intensity. Instead, learn to offer emotional security, a steady presence that speaks louder than any words. Be the man who listens more than he speaks, who doesn't flinch when things get real, who makes her feel safe even in silence. That's how women fall in love. Not all at once, not through fantasy, but through the steady rhythm of emotional safety and masculine calm. And when she finally does fall, she doesn't just love you. She trusts you with parts of her soul no one else has seen. That's not infatuation. That's devotion. And that's the kind of love that never fades. If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more video.